turn on recording on your side.
Sure.
I see. Actually, YouTube broadcasting turn on recording on your side.
Sure.
Recording broadcasting, YouTube recording of YouTube broadcasting is turned on right after I press that live stream at the Zoom.
Nice.
So it actually starts not when we, I don't know, live on web, but right in Zoom. So, oh, yeah, wait, please. Second.
So let's begin.
Let me double check that everything works. So I have a few new features implemented recently that I need to check that they are working. And I think Velo is also, oh, no, not loaded, I don't know. No, Velo is still unavailable. So no, yes or no, yes or no. Oh.
Alex, what is happening?
I'm trying to load Velo. For some reason, just has half loaded. But now, yeah, Velo is working on my side. Okay,
Nice.
you can start recording, and then we start our podcast for today. Okay, ready?
Yeah, let's start. And again, Alex, our last forecast was wrong, but we didn't lose any money. I think maybe little. Let's check how it happened. And let's check how our new position option ratio spread worked out.
Okay.
So look, we had the idea that I was thinking that market can grow, but not so much. And you was thinking that it will be a strong downside movement. And also, I already told you that from statistics, Friday movements are happening in the first half of day of option session. So, and you can see here was movement here, and after American stock market closed, it was sideways movement. So statistics was wiser than our forecast. And you remember we had this position, so we sold options here. So we had like here we had loss, and after that point we had profit. So it was like this. My straight line is not so straight as it should be, but I think you understand. And here we had little profit. And let's check from transactions if we really lost something, because you can see then that market was a little bit lower than our point of profit.
So today we have a surprise for our subscribers, and transactions are available inside our cabinet, still localhost. So here are transactions, and charts are right below.
Nice, I really like it. So it shows that we had little loss, yes, from profit loss histogram, as I see.
Profit, yep.
Yeah, and let's check what happened in transactions. So can you show me transaction log? So look, We traded, we bought 0.9 for 2.6. Also, we spent almost 2.5 dollars, and here we earned 3.72. But it was 1875, and let's check what was the expiration. What was the expiry price?
Here's the expiry price, you see?
Yes. So look, the expiry price was $5.5. So it means that from this trade, we still earned money. I mean, from short trade, but not the whole sum. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So whole sum was 3.7, and as expiry price was 1869. So we lost from these 12.7, we lost 5.5.
Mm-hmm.
And so it was left, as I can see, 7.2. So 7.2 multiply times 0.3. It's about $2, $2 and about 2 and 1, yes?
Yep.
And so it was less than this amount.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, I
we
see.
have about minus 0.3. So my
Mhm.
idea to sell something was good because it helped us not to lose the whole amount. Understand,
Mm-hmm.
yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I really like how now it looks. And I hope that soon we will see also metrics here.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
And I have
sure.
a lot of ideas how we can do better. For example, we can, it's also interesting number of days which we didn't trade. For example, here I can see that like each time there was something, understand?
Mm-hmm.
But really we didn't trade on Saturdays. So on Saturday it should be like a flat, small flat pot, understand?
Yeah, Roman, I understand everything you say, almost.
Nice, nice. Thank you. I'm so happy that you understand my English because I'm not sure that it's so easy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue to our traditional plan. I really like that our software is also getting better, not only our
Mm-hmm.
trading. And let's check Velo. Let's check option prices for today.
Mm-hmm.
So what we can see? We can see that Ethereum prices are still really low. So we still have summer prices when nobody expects that market will move anywhere. And I think that on Sunday, as I told you before, usually it's a good idea to buy something. So even if we will have sideways forecast for today, I think we will hedge it with a little bit higher quantity of out of the money options, just
Mm-hmm.
to hedge from Black Swan. And we can see also here that uh, it's interesting that I think it's 2K. So you can see that almost nobody traded yesterday. So their
Mm-hmm.
maximum amount is just 2,000 contracts. And
Mm-hmm.
it's really low, so we will not analyze this data because it is not representative. And
Mm-hmm.
also, what about delta skew? Look, somebody is afraid again because I don't exactly remember what happened, but first really important news is that Michael Saylor decided that he will not buy Bitcoin on all money which he will get from his sold stocks. So he totally changes his strategy. So before he was telling that he will always buy Bitcoin for all money and he will never sell them.
Mm-hmm.
At first he decided that he will sell something, and a week ago he decided that he also will not buy for all money. So he's not as brave as before, but now it looks like a smarter strategy. And that is why a lot of people are afraid, because Saylor was like biggest bull on Bitcoin, at least bull which everybody know. And now this bull is saying that he will not buy. And so everybody is afraid if it will affect the markets. And also there was some, how to say, evaluation of conflict between US and Iran, and that is why people are afraid. They again buying options put. But interesting that price really don't go down. So for me, it's always, for me, one of the most interesting moments is when market is going sideways. And here we have bad news like Sailor will not buy. Market try to fall, but again go up. Here we have US and Iran. Market again tries to fall, but back. And usually this shows that somebody is buying. And somebody clever. Because everybody understands who is selling when news are bad. But it's always interesting who is buying when news are bad. Understand? Yeah. Sorry for such a lot of asking about if you understand me. Let's continue. Let's go to TradingView and let's make our traditional forecast.
Yeah, I see your inner desire to be understood, like carefully and deeply.
Sure. Each
That's
person
important.
wants to be understood.
Sure. So we are going to TradingView, right? And
Yeah.
set our deadline here. Yes,
Yes.
August.
And now I'm not looking, and I'm waiting for a forecast. And at the same time, I'll try to think about my forecast. So give me a signal when you will be ready.
Roma, my forecast is ready. Your turn.
Okay. I'm happy that you remember about the scale.
Sure.
Like this. I'm still optimistic.
I see.
And you? Oh, you're also optimistic. Wow. And also
what should we
interesting
do?
about statistics. Statistics
Yep.
shows that usually market from Sunday to Monday is going on the first or on the second half. So here, and you created that it will go first half and second half will stand. It's interesting. For me, it's always interesting when our forecast is against statistics. So, but anyway, we both expect good growth. So let's check option prices for options call and make some interesting position. So maybe we will just buy some options call. And we can see that 1900 costs 3.9. And we really expect that market can move to 1940, I think, from my side. And from your side, it is 1930.
Yep.
Maybe even a little bit less, but still somewhere. So let's buy 1900 options call. And let me think if we will make take profits or maybe we'll make bull spread.
Roma, I really enjoy that you're not connected to the interface as well as usual. So you're just looking in the meaning of what is happening, because you haven't noticed, as I mentioned, that we have new interface for today. You see?
I
This
think
is not we used to.
I looked at this part and really didn't understand that in this part something changed.
Yeah, and it has
Yes,
changed like a lot. So let us
yes,
try. I
yes.
hope it will work out today.
Nice, nice. So let's try 0 point. I think we can make 0. I think we can even take 1, just the whole option. We are growing, and I think to celebrate the new terminal for constructing position, we can buy more than usual. So let's buy 1 option for 3.7. And is this part changing when you change here?
Sure.
Let's try. I want to see this. So
You see?
again. Wow, amazing, really amazing. Alex, you are a great software engineer. I am really happy that something is happening. And for me, it's interesting what will happen if we add one more position. So let's check. Let's put here 1 position for 1 option for 3.8. 3.8. Yes, please add this to portfolio. And let's add 1 more position, for example, selling 1925, also 1, not put, option call.
25 call, selling it, right? At what price?
1.2, not 0.1, the whole option. Okay. So really looks nice. And is it possible to change quantity from this part?
Not yet.
Okay, but still really looks nice. Thank you. I think that all the small changes we can do but when we will continue. And let's remove this. I think that today we will just no, not this. Sorry. Let's remove short option. Let's remove short option and let's open this position for tomorrow. And also we will use let the take profits for today.
Okay. So just call.
Yes, simple option call. So today risk is more than usual, but as soon as we have bigger amount of money, I think we can buy 1.
Okay. The price what? At the market price?
Yeah.
Please double check.
Sure. And let's make 5 take profits. So from 9.9 to with step $5. So 9.9, also 14.9, and so till 34.9, I think.
Please double check.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, 0.5, and there should be 5 of them. Second, third, fourth, and fifth, like 29 or 35 or 39.
Now we have already. Wait, I'm waiting for.
Yeah, there should be 4. Yes, they'll appear shortly. So they will appear.
Let's 34.9. 34.9.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Hope these orders will be executed tomorrow night. Thank you, Alex. Really good news about evolution of our software, and I hope that each week it will be better and better. And I can see that now AI is helping to make good software, and we just need to be as creative as we can. And guys, if you want to see what happened with our position, you can subscribe to our channel. And tomorrow we will tell if we were option profits or option losers as usual. Thank you, Alex. See you tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow, Roma. Thank you, and bye.